Hey guys, Cody here with Import Image Racing. Thanks for checking out another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at the MXP Comp RS catback exhaust for the 15 to 21 WRX and STI. This is a really solid system. It's a full stainless steel exhaust system. It's going to be 3 inches all the way through back to the end of the Y pipe, where it is going to shrink down to about 2.5 inches to your mufflers. Now this is again a full stainless design. You're going to have a resonator and 4 mufflers in this. That's right, you heard that, 4 mufflers. You have 1 muffler per tip. Now I know that may sound like overkill, but this thing's gonna give you a really smooth sound. You're not gonna have any rasp. So you're gonna have a deeper, smoother tone as compared to some of the other exhausts that might have a louder but more raspy tone. This thing is gonna be really nice. It's gonna be smooth and really dialed down, but it's gonna be much louder and much nicer sounding than your factory exhaust, as well as it's also going to reduce that really bad flow in the stock exhaust system. So the stock exhaust, tiny, tiny, tiny. This thing is really gonna open it up. And again, we have that resonator to try and reduce some of that rasp and some of that extra noise. And if you pay close attention, you'll see that these tips are actually fully adjustable, which is really cool. It gives you a lot of freedom. You can kind of set where you want your exhaust tips to go. If you like the, if you're really picky about the way they come out of the back of the car, if they stick out too far or not enough, or you like a staggered setup or a straight setup, you can really dial that in. So as you can see right here, we have a very staggered setup. One side's coming out way further than the other. You could actually flip that around and you could have this side come way out and have this side way in and have it any way that you want. Or you could be a perfectionist and you want them perfectly even, well, you could do that as well. If you want to go crazy, you could have one side sticking way out and the other side sticking way in. It's your car, you can do whatever you want. This thing is going to be a really nice exhaust system for you. It's going to sound really smooth. Now this is going to come with all the hardware that you need to install this, all your gaskets. You will have to reuse your factory hangers as with most exhaust systems, but this is a really quality piece. And if you're on the stock downpipe, you will need that Grimspeed adapter. If you're running an aftermarket downpipe, you won't need the adapter. But if you're running an aftermarket downpipe, I would highly recommend the Grimspeed V2 Jesse Cat downpipe. But I'll bring it in so you can see this thing. Alright guys, well I'll leave a link in the description for this exhaust system if you're looking to get one for your V8 chassis, WRX or STI. But that's going to be it for today's video guys. We'll see you in the next one.